guys, we're over here at
Leu Garden.
one of our favorite places. We haven't been here in a while and it smells so good, and we're smelling.
We're connected to nature. We have a lot of herbs and plants and flowers and butterflies here. Take a view where we are a little bit. Beautiful garden. More pictures. It's amazing. It's the Leu Garden and Winter Park, right, Melanie? Orlando?
Yes. Wow, it's like we're actually in a jungle. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, you do?
Yeah.